Brackley Town FC was founded in 1890 and it's moved all the way through the leagues, playing for promotion if we can this season.
Brackley Town Football Club suffered a terrible fire that denied us of really important facilities, essentially our clubhouse and our bar.
And we had to look at how we were going to finance trying to get back on the map and build something better for our community.
So after the fire we had a really significant fundraising effort involving as many different parts of the Brackley community as possible.
We did lots of quizzes, bonfire night, but the big focus was our supporters wall. Without HS2, we would have not been able to have the most fantastic place that we've got now.
And the extra funding from the generosity of HS2 allowed us to produce and build the facility we have today.
The Brackley Town Football Club was awarded £75,000 from the Community Environment Fund. To see the Community Fund in action, it's been brilliant.
The venue itself has given us an opportunity to be able to invite the community to come in. We have a thriving Saints community project, which is for our older supporters and also people with disabilities, learning difficulties, etc. We've got in the region of between 200 to 250 juniors here, 17 teams. We've got girls teams, boys teams, the mixed teams, and then we've got our ladies team as well, because this is their second year with us now.
Whether it's business conferences, wedding venues, christenings and all that type of thing, it is a really great venue for the wider community.
The future Brackley Town Football Club looks absolutely amazing and promising.
I think the future is really, really bright. The community and the junior work is going really, really well, and our younger teams are really, really thriving.
Today is a match day here and there'll be hundreds of supporters enjoying the clubhouse and the bar. That was only possible through the fundraising that we were able to do as a club, and that was generously supported by HS2.
What I would say to any community group who's thinking of applying, please do. Don't be daunted, don't be overwhelmed, go for it. You've got nothing to lose.
From young to old, the venue at Brackley Town Football Club is for everybody to use. The whole community, come down and use it.